Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Professor Know It All back at you with some content about PulseChain and why I'm all in on PulseChain assets. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And for all you Pulsicans and Hexicans and all the Pulse folks that exist, hopefully you guys like and subscribe and follow me. Check out these charts we're about to show you. We're about to go through a few assets here. PDAI, PUSDT, Maker, Ink token, and I'm also trading Teddy and a coin called Pine. And we're going to go through all those here in this short video. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. We'll catch you guys on the charts. All right, so first up here is PDAI or Pulse Die. And well, maybe this isn't the right chart. Let's get to the right one here that has the most data. I think it's this chart here. Well, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one here. I think it's this one. Okay, yeah, beautiful. All right, so here's the daily time frame on DAI, and I'm going to redraw this here just live on YouTube for you guys. All right, so this is DAI. If we look at a parallel channel, we can clearly see there is a beautiful demand line here, and we're kind of cut out what happened here. This is when it got listed, and yeah, it's still technically being regarded as a top of the range type of thing, but you can see we're above that now, and we're just kind of making these legs up beautifully. And if you look carefully, the volumes receded, and we're coming into the trend line or the channel again, and the daily is giving us the idea that this is about to make its next leg up, right? Momentum is about to swing up. Last time we had a momentum wave was here. This was on March 25th, and March 25th marked this low right here. And we got this cross up on March 25th, and what proceeded after that was a nice move up. March 25th was here. We moved up about 190% after that cross up. So if we take our Fibonacci tool here and we start from the swing low and we go to the all-time high swing high, because that was clearly a swing high, we could plot, because we don't know if this is a top, right? So we're plotting here. Our next major leg up now is probably to about that 2-cent region, which is right around that 180 to 190% move. And that is what I'm plotting right now for DAI. All right. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the notification bell. And the next asset I'm going to look at here is Tether, because Tether is also probably going to go to peg once DAI goes to peg. And so it's kind of the same type of chart if you really want to look carefully here. So yes, we had when Tether was brought in, it was trading around 80 something cents. 75 cents or whatever. There's a wick high up here around 75. So, all right. But let's kind of redraw this for you guys. And, you know, it's a similar type of chart. In fact, it's almost identical to DAI if you look carefully, right? So we have our bottom down here. And you guys can, I mean, the structure is a little bit different looking, I suppose, but you can really see, like, if you start the channel from the same type of plotting that we did for DAI, it's just number go up, man. That's what this is, just number go up. And so, you know, if we take our fib extensions from here and we plot down to the bottom and we reverse this back up, we're looking at exactly the same, roughly the same movement up to about a penny on this rip. So the daily also is getting that same momentum wave back up. Last momentum wave back up was March 25th. It's literally the same chart, but it's half the price. So I think this is in a better value spot. It's obviously right around the same market cap because all the stable coins are kind of combined into the same market caps right now. There is a little bit less liquidity here, but I think eventually, if they're all going to pay, this next leg up is to about that 1 penny region. All right, that's Tether. Now, I also talked about, I was going to show you guys Ink token. Ink token looks crazy on the chart right now. I am in a swing position. I'm in position on this asset. around $3.50. I missed this double bottom down here, and that's fine. I ended up catching this this swing low here. And to me, this looks like a channel down. Obviously, originally this was plotted as a falling wedge pattern, and the falling wedge broke out. And we went to the 618 fit extension, pulled back to the 38.2% retracement level. And now on the 3-day time scale, we're showing exactly almost the same thing. Or not the exact same thing, but we're looking at a 3-day stochastic cross up. Okay. Last time we had a 3-day stochastic cross up was back here in December. All right. In December of 2023, which was basically this low. So we made this low, we made a rip up, we made a back test, double bottom, and then we did a rip. So what could happen is something similar where we make a rip up to maybe like $5, and then we come back down and retest, $4, and we make a double bottom, and then we break out of here. All right. So buying right here, in my opinion, is a very low risk area on the stochastic RSI. And if we look at the RSI on the 3-day chart, we're also coming down to the 40 range here, which to me is in the buy zone, right? And we are also showing that divergence, right? And if we go to the daily, we can really see the MACD crossing up here with that triple 1, 2, 3 levels or 3 drives, a bullish divergence on the daily time scale. Volume's receding here. It looks like we're going to be setting up for another major move. And that's why I like the INK token. I think, there's a lot of liquidity here. So there's lots of folks that are trading this, and there's lots of liquidity to get in and out of a position like this. But if this is a valid falling wedge pattern, eventually we're going to resolve ourselves to the $60 region. And what that could mean eventually is something like this on this next momentum wave. And then we make a big kind of cup with handle. And eventually we get to about $250 by the end of the cycle. So that's a massive trade setup. We're gonna hopefully see this play out. This would be absolutely insane. All right, so I covered DAI, I covered Tether, I covered INK. I'm going to cover Pine, which is a low cap DeFi play. And the reason why I like this coin is because they got all the farms on the Atropine website. But if you kind of look at it looks like a bottoming structure here on the weekly time frame. And look at the RSI. Okay, this is the telltale sign that this is at a bottom. 24 on the RSI, just starting to rip up here. And if you look at it versus Atropa, which Atropa is a major asset on the PulseChain right now for the stable coins to go to peg, this versus Atropa looks bottomed out. So like, why wouldn't I want to be trading something like this that might outperform Atropa? And the same thing, the weekly stochastics crossing up the 3-day. And, almost going oversold, getting a nice bump here. 3-day stochastics ticked up. And you got true strength index about to cross up, if not actually did confirm across. And so this right here is telling me that this might actually start to outperform Atropa. I'm not saying that Atropa won't go up. I'm saying this will probably go up more percentage points than Atropa. And so my whole strategy here is trading this asset back up to the 50% retracement or even the golden mean ratio. That's about a 10x. And what I could do then is, after it does this move, I could roll back into Atropa as this pulls back. And then Atropa obviously goes on a big major leg after this starts to pull back. All right, so I've covered DAI, Tether, INK, Pine, and I'm going to cover one more. I actually took a pretty big trade on this coin, and it's called SolidX. This looks like a bullish pennant to me. And as you can see, this coin did a major move up already. But I think it's setting up for further upside. We got 8-hour bullish divergence forming on the MACD. We got 4-hour that started to play out. And we can see right here that the volume is starting to tick up here. We had about $240,000 in trading volume yesterday, and we're right at the apex of the pennant. And now I don't know that it's probably going to do this whole major move, but it could do something about a 6x move from here. And to me, that's worth the risk to reward. You can see the demand line being perfectly respected as well. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the notification bell. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, you landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. Go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You can check profit gains channel. I think we've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the profits gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44%, and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that, and that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website where you can click sign up now. And after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day, you will get billed, full disclosure of that. And I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling node wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the charts.